is Ina with Innichka Chef, and welcome to my kitchen. Look who I have today. Today I have guest, our Babushka Oka, and she is very famous for her pastry called piroshki filled with vegetables. Everyone in our town knows her for those famous piroshki, and everyone loves it. And I promised to many of my friends to record this video, and finally I'm doing today. So for first of all, we make an yeast-based dough, and we'll follow Oka and we'll see how she's doing. And in the description below, I will list exact measurements, so when you repeat, you'll get exactly the same result. But right now, we'll watch exactly how she's doing. Your cup. Your cup.
Right.
First, we need to add water.
Water. Then do you know a little bit you put yeast. You have to put yeast, okay?
Water and
Как
so a little bit of water we add, and then add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Do we need to add the rest of the water?
Воды уже было один. Ага. Так, сейчас пока. Теперь немножко муку. Все. Ага.
Basically, she add little bit of water from all measurements, which is one quarter of cup she added, and 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. And now we mix together. And 1 tablespoon of sugar, right? And salt, right? Sugar.
Right.
Okay, now
Все.
we mix it again.
Теперь воду наливаем.
The rest. Now we add the rest of the water and flour. All-purpose flour, unbleached. 5 cups of flour.
1, 2. 3. Okay, we have to mix it.
I have 2 guests today in the kitchen. One is totally unexpected. Yes, Latrona? You did not expect me to have you. She's smiling. Once a while, stop and scrape. And about 1 tablespoon of
Maybe, yeah.
sunflower oil or olive oil or any vegetable oil you wish.
Воды маловато.
Needs a little bit more water. Little bit more water. About 1 tablespoon. She said she's doing everything eyeballing, so it's very difficult. Anything to do with measuring. She said a little bit more, or until you see the dough comes completely nice and soft in one bowl. Come see this. And finally it looks nice and soft. It looks like one bowl. So now this dough is ready. And how long has to
5 hours.
4 to 5 hours.
Yeah.
Better to do overnight.
They are.
Overnight, it's okay to do overnight.
Yeah, more than.
If you won't do overnight, I would suggest as well.
Yeah.
So now let's talk about the filling. The filling is usually cabbage, right? Cabbage. What else we need?
Yeah,
Onion, cabbage,
yeah, onion.
onion.
We have to clean.
We need also carrots, right? Carrots, celery,
Celery.
celery and garlic and onion.
Нет, ага. Okay.
1 carrots, 1 onion,
Maybe half.
half onion,
Here I put a half.
half of
Yeah.
small head, and how much garlic? Garlic?
Maybe 3.
3.
3, yes.
3
Because
cloves
I
of
think
garlic.
Better 3.
She loves everything garlicky.
Oh, I love garlic.
Cabbage you're doing by hand.
Томать надо. Теперь надо вот так.
Ah, interesting technique. I love it.
Сюда положим.
She let me to, she trusts me with salt. So I would say about 1 teaspoon. Maybe a little less, depends on kind of salt you use. I'm using Celtic salt, so 1 teaspoon. And about half teaspoon of black pepper. Or 20 turns, I would like to say. And here's the
Потом я ложу сой соус.
soy sauce. She likes to add soy sauce. How surprised, isn't it? Surprise ingredient. I grew up in Ukraine and we had this piroshki. It's kind of street food, and if you go to farmer's market, guarantee you'll get 1 piroshki. It smells so good when you walk by, you have to buy one. But I never tasted with soy sauce. And I never knew she adds, so that kind of secret ingredient, isn't it? Maybe too much salt I added, I don't know. Okay, here's this soy sauce. Ooh, she added
Теперь
about,
я буду мешать.
here's a spoon. Yeah. She added about 1 tablespoon.
Подожди.
She doesn't trust that way. She said, wait, wait. Don't take it. She wants to taste. She tastes as how it's supposed to. Oh, a little bit more.
I'm here in America. In Russia I did not put soy sauce.
She said original recipe where she's from, and she's from Buryatia. It's up north in Russia.
I'm from Siberia, Lake Baikal, very deepest, purest lake on the world.
Yeah, and she
Depth 1 mile.
quite a bit deep, right?
Depth 1 mile.
1 mile deep. Okay. And now we are ready to cook. Purposely, I got 2 different sunflower oil because in Ukraine, Russia, they use sunflower oil, and that's original recipe. So I have for frying refined sunflower oil. That's what we're going to use, and also what we add already to the dough, unrefined extra virgin sunflower oil. And I quite a bit often like to use this oil in my recipe. You probably noticed that. And I will link below all this oil so you can find on Amazon easily. Made in Ukraine, by the way. Let's do it.
наверное. Но я не знаю, наверное, хватит. Вот здорово. Everything professional.
And now, how long we need to cook?
Maybe 15 minutes.
15 minutes, we'll keep eye on. Smells delicious, you can tell. 10 minutes only. And it's almost ready. We need to cool down, that's why we move into a bowl. How beautiful.
Трататушки, ничего, что мы там, как пойдем, плясать будет под столбом стоять, мы в деревне родились, и на славу дали, щечки пухленькие, сами пухленькие, трататушки, ничего, что мы тут,
I need to have guests more often.
будет под столбом стоять. Teперь берем тесто.
We make obviously dough ahead of time, so look how beautiful. And I was still working on the one we just made together, and this one nice and fluffy and ready to work. Oh, she makes all dough at once. We need
Ножик, дай,
knife.
ножик, дай. Маленький, маленький. Вау. Я не знаю. Убери это все. А теперь. Делаем то.
More flour.
Я.
More flour now.
Не, если не надо.
Oh, this works much better.
Вот это уже лучше. Это было ужасно.
Let's see if I can do.
Ой, большие пирожки. Я такие не делаю.
Так давайте сделаем маленькие.
Не, ничего.
Мы можем поделить. Смотрите, мы можем вот поделить.
Давай. Не, сильно маленький. Подожди.
Вы соединить с этим.
Давай, сильно маленький, не надо.
Plenty of flour we need.
Получается.
We always hear about fried food is bad for you. She's 89 and she has full of energy. She doesn't need coffee to keep going in the morning.
Yeah, I have energy, yeah. Thank God I have energy.
Great snack, appetizer, lunch, breakfast. Now we are ready to fry. That's it? Only,
Хватит.
she said it's enough. Oh, they look so good, nice and fluffy. Thank you for being with us, and I hope you enjoy this video. Finally, the final moment when we're going to try.
Yeah.
Crunchy outside, warm, and very garlicky with nice umami flavor from all that soy sauce and garlic, and it's so good. And remember, for full recipe in description below. I hope you enjoy this video. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.